In this guide, you will learn how to connect to the hotspot of your phone to use the internet data or network. When this connection is made, the internet subscription on your smartphone will be used to access the internet or websites on your computer. The first step is to turn on the hotspot of your smartphone. So swipe down through the top of your smartphone and then locate the hotspot functionality. You can see that on the screen right now. So I will tap on it for it to be enabled, just as you can see. On your PC, enable the Wi-Fi. You do that by clicking on this quick action center area. So click on this first. Then you can see so many functionalities. All right. This is the Wi-Fi. In my PC is enabled by default. But if your own is disabled, if you can see it right as it is right now on your screen, that means it's turned off. So you turn it on by clicking on this. All right. It has changed the color to blue. After you have enabled the Wi-Fi on your PC, click on this arrow that points towards the right. This displays some hotspots that are open in your location, and one of them is the one of the smartphone, which is this, the one I enabled on my smartphone. So click on the one you want to connect to and then click on connect. But if you're not seeing the Wi-Fi, the hotspot on this list, all you need to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and the hotspot of your phone and turn them on again. You will be able to see the hotspot show up on this list. Then you'll connect. Okay. So if I want to connect to this device, which is my smartphone, I'll click on connect. And here, this my hotspot is now connected. I can then start accessing internet on my computer. It is as simple as that. I hope this guide helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. See you next time.